Welcome, everyone, to the Diva Health Focus. Today, we're diving into healthy weight loss for women over 50. Our metabolism might slow down a tad, and we might not bounce back from those extra indulgences as quickly as we used to. What matters most is that we approach this journey with a focus on our health and well-being. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some practical, evidence-based tips that can help you reach your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and consistency is key. Let's talk about what we're putting on our plates. As women over 50, our bodies need a good balance of nutrients to thrive. Think colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants, lean protein sources like fish and chicken, and healthy fats found in avocados and olive oil. Fiber is our friend, ladies. It keeps us feeling full and satisfied, which can help with weight management. Now, I understand that with busy schedules, it's not always easy to whip up gourmet meals every day. The key is to plan ahead and have healthy options on hand. Now let's get moving. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, but we don't need to be running marathons here. Low-impact exercises like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling can be incredibly effective and easy on our joints. Strength training is another essential piece of the puzzle. Simple exercises like lifting weights or using resistance bands can help us build muscle mass, which naturally boosts our metabolism. Even incorporating short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. Every little bit counts. Let's delve a little deeper into the incredible benefits of strength training. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. Strength training helps us maintain our muscle mass, which is directly linked to a healthier metabolism. More muscle means we burn more calories even at rest. Plus, it strengthens our bones, improves our balance, and helps prevent falls. It's a win-win all around. Managing menopausal weight gain, menopause. It's true that hormonal changes during menopause can make it more challenging to lose weight, but it's not impossible. One of the biggest culprits is a decline in estrogen, which can affect how our bodies store fat. Regular exercise, especially strength training, can help us maintain muscle mass and boost our metabolism. Choosing nutrient-rich foods over processed ones can make a world of difference. And if you're struggling, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Mindful eating and portion control. Let's talk about our relationship with food. Mindful eating is all about paying attention to our hunger cues and savoring each bite. Portion control is another important aspect of mindful eating. A helpful tip is to use smaller plates and bowls. This can trick our brains into thinking we're eating more than we actually are. By practicing mindful eating and portion control, we can develop a healthier relationship with food and manage our weight more effectively. The role of sleep in weight loss. Sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being, and it plays a crucial role in weight management. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies produce more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. When we prioritize sleep, we're giving our bodies a chance to repair and rejuvenate, which can support our weight loss efforts. It's no secret that our metabolisms tend to slow down as we age. Regular exercise, especially strength training, is key. It helps us build and maintain muscle mass, which keeps our metabolisms humming along. Eating a healthy diet that includes plenty of protein can also help. And here's a simple tip: don't skip meals. Eating regularly throughout the day can help keep our metabolisms active. Let's talk about meal planning. Meal planning is one of the best ways to ensure we're eating healthy, balanced meals throughout the week. Start by planning out your meals for the week ahead of time. Prepare your meals in advance whenever possible. And don't be afraid to get creative with your recipes. There are countless delicious and healthy recipes available online and in cookbooks that cater specifically to women over 50. Let's not forget about the importance of flexibility and stress reduction. Yoga and stretching are fantastic ways to improve our range of motion, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. Yoga is a gentle yet powerful practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Stretching regularly can help improve our flexibility, which can make everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Incorporate yoga or stretching into your routine a few times a week. Even a few minutes of stretching each day can make a difference. Now, let's talk about supplements and vitamins. As we age, our nutritional needs change, and it can be helpful to supplement our diets with certain vitamins and minerals. Some common supplements for women over 50 include calcium and vitamin D for bone health, omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, and probiotics for gut health. A high-quality multivitamin can also help fill in any nutritional gaps. Remember, supplements should never replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. Let's talk about hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for our overall health and can also aid in weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also stay hydrated by consuming water-rich fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Now, let's talk about motivation and mindset. Losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a journey, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Set small, achievable goals rather than trying to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a weight loss group. Having people to cheer you on and hold you accountable can make a world of difference. Common weight loss mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is falling into the trap of fad diets. These diets may promise quick results, but they're often restrictive and unsustainable in the long run. Another common mistake is skipping meals. While it might seem counterintuitive, skipping meals can actually slow down our metabolisms and make it harder to lose weight. Weight loss is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with over time. Your healthiest chapter awaits. We've covered so much today, from the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise to the power of mindful eating and a good night's sleep. Even small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. You have the power to take control of your health and feel your best. Embrace this new chapter with confidence and enthusiasm. Join our community. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to embark on your own journey to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Diva Health Focus, for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Here's to your health and well-being.